In this video, I will be going over a new feature that's coming out and rolling out on eBay. As y'all may know, in our eBay stores, if you have multiples of the same item, you can give multiple tiers of discounts if they buy more than 2, 3, and so on and so forth with discounts. However, eBay is now rolling out, not everyone has it yet, but they're rolling out a new discount for bulk items that people are buying in your store that gives them an additional discount or a discount if they bundle. As y'all may know, right now we have to refund the difference once they bundle for shipping, whereas this will allow them to get a discount while they're bundling already items in your store. So I will walk you through and how to find it and see if you're eligible, just of a way of seeing if you're eligible just yet. It is rolling out, but as of right now, I'm going to walk you through it in this video. So without further ado, let's get into it. Now in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you step by step. I will share my screen and walk you through it. Now, not everyone's going to have this feature just yet, but I'm going to show you how you can find it, because I did see a couple of videos that were out there that didn't know where to find it. And of course, I just got this information this morning. Here it is, August the 2nd, and so I'm going to walk you through it. And let me go ahead and add my screen and we'll walk you through it. There we go. All right, what you want to do is go. This is the news that came out about 3 minutes ago, a little earlier, about bundling new discounts and how it's going to work. I will have this link in the description bar below so you can follow it as well. There's going to be some new information that's coming out where sellers will now be able to make an offer to be able to offer this in your store. Whereas before it was only for the same item, multiples, if they purchase the same. Whereas now this is going to be for if they purchase anything in your store. And as y'all know, we usually have to discount sometimes the bundles. We have to go back and refund some of the shipping because it's way too much more than what they paid. And not everybody does it, but I do. But anywho, this will be in the description bar below on how it's going to work. You better offer this as a setting throughout your whole store, for that if someone does come back and purchase multiple items, like say for example, another platform offers this, a couple actually offer this, but this will be for eBay. So you'll be able to turn this on and find that setting, and you'll have to turn it on. So I'm gonna have this in the description, as well as eBay now offers a bundle discount featuring the eBay is rolling out a new bundle discount featuring the Let's Participation sellers offering automatic percentage off, saving the buyers purchase multiple items across their entire store inventory in a single order. Of course, they're going to be where if you set this up and accept this and opt in, you'll be able to have automatic savings for your customers. Store-wide, whatever it is, they may put everything in their shopping cart and purchase it all at one time. They'll be able to do different levels, and I'll show you that in a few minutes. And if you've ever done multiple savings for the same item, this will be the same thing, but for your whole store. And automatically, if a buyer makes a partial return, they'll only get a partial return depending on the bundle that they did at that time. So that'll be something that eBay is going to automatically do for us when it's done. So that's the news article here. And then, of course, I will have these in the description bar below so you can follow these yourself. But once you go into your eBay store, you're going to be in your dashboard, so to say, or anywhere in your store. You're going to go right up here to where you're going to highlight your name up here and go to Account Setting. And when you go to your account settings, you can even go to and I just had the wrong tab. But if you're in your store, you can also go to marketing for discounts, but with discounts, it's not showing there just yet. But again, that's where we would usually go for marketing. However, in my store, I want to show this because I do have other forms of volume pricing, which is for the same item. If I have multiples of that same item, I do have it as an offer for them to get a discount, and I have it in 3 or 4 tiers. If they buy 2 or more, 3 or more, 4 or more, and so on and so forth. And that's what's called volume pricing. And I do have 2 of those on 2 items that I have multiples of. However, if you go into your eBay store, you can go directly to your selling hub. But however, if you are in your store and you go right here to your account settings, you will have this. This is where you're going to see these My eBay. Under account, you're going to go right here to the left under selling, and you're going to hit bundle discount. When you hit bundle discount, it'll bring you to this page. You're going to make sure you're under discount, bundle discount under your account. And right here it says bundle discount. Bundle discount is right now is going to be off. I did try this earlier when I tried, but I'm not able to turn it on yet. It won't let me turn it on because evidently I'm not available for it just yet. So if you are looking to find out where it's at, remember you're going to go to your dashboard. You're going to go to your little icon up here. Go to account settings. Right here on the left hand side, you're going to hit the bundle discount. Once you're done with the bundle discount, it's going to bring you to this page. Right now it's going to be off. You just have to turn it on when it's available for you in your store. But what I like about this, again, going back to the store of bundling, they're going to make it to where it's going to be easier for you to bundle multiple items from the same buyer throughout your store. Other than what we already do, if you are able to do it by the example, if an item costed $10, if a buyer, and this is if it's going to be a return, it kind of gives you an idea of how and what they're going to do as a refund. If somebody purchased multiple items, they will be doing this portion as a savings to the customer, but only a portion of the refund depending on what they purchased. And they're going to make that available soon. So hopefully this will help you find because right now I only have volume pricing on items that I have multiples of, but I'm looking forward to see how this is actually going to work once we get into bundles and go from there. And this is going to be very interesting because this just rolled out, and that way if they want, you can also set it up. You will be able to set up the tiers for each discount of what you choose. 5, I think, is the minimum if they buy 2 or more items. And then so on and so forth. And each item increment, I believe, is in 5% discount for each item. And again, it's supposed to be able to help us when even if it's a single item, the store-wide will be most likely able to use it as a bundle. And it says here, store-wide reaching unlikely other volume pricing, like if you have multiples of the same. But within the single item listings, bundles can be discounted applying across the seller's entire inventory unless specified listings are excluded. In other words, if you don't have it included in that promotion. And then of course there's customized tiers. You will be able to set up yourself on how much you want per tier. The features item prices only are discounted applying strictly to the prices of the item. Shipping cost remains separate. So that means on items, not on shipping. No stacking. Bundle discounts cannot be combined with any seller's coupons, promoting codes, order discounts, or single listed volume pricing. And then, of course, your automatically refunds will be partial returns from a buyer's order. eBay will automatically recalculate the refund for us. So evidently, this is not going to be part of the shipping. It'll only be part of the items that they purchase, and you will not be able to stack bundle discounts if you have a promotion going on and things like that, or promotion codes. They will not be able to be combined. From what I'm reading here, this is what came out this morning that I found out this morning. And I'll have these 2 links in the description below. That way you can follow those. And also, this will be easier for you to find by you just going to your name, go to your account settings. When you go there, make sure and I don't know why that tab's still there. Let me close that one. Go to your discount, bundle discount, right here on the left-hand side under Seller's Hub. This will be under your account settings. And then, of course, the recap on this is make sure you're under your discount button right here on the left, and you'll be able to turn it on here. Or you can also be specific on certain items that you're listing that you can turn off if you do not want it to be part of this bundle discount that they're offering us, that you can turn off on specific items that you do list, from what I'm gathering and what I understand. So I will be including this in the description bar below as well. If you really enjoyed this content, I do have a playlist that's going to pop up right up in here. It'll be a continuing playlist of all my how-to videos, and I hope you enjoyed it. And please leave those comments. I would love to hear what you have to say